Students, welcome to the chemistry sessions. Very good morning to everybody. Let us today we are discussing the part of from this polymer chemistry. This is what biodegradable polymers. We know that this is the large scale of synthetic polymers have been used in their relative inertness. So the process of the biodegradation it is most useful in purpose of this is the sociality and this is in the especially in the medicine field. So what we can say this is the for example in our daily lives this is the tablet or the capsule. So this is the capsule or the tablet is made from this is the biodegradable polymers such like this is the chemicals this is the name of this chemicals. This is the COOH. This is what 1, 2, 3. This 3 hydroxy. You can say 3 hydroxy. This is the 3 hydroxy butanoic. This is the 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. So pentanoic acid and butanoic acid. This is what 1, 2, 3. 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. And this is again what the another types of this is the chemicals and this is the compounds. You can take 3 hydroxy for again on 3 hydroxy pentanoic acid. So this is what 1, 2, 3 3 hydroxy butanoic acid and 3 hydroxy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentanoic acid. So the name of this compound what 3 hydroxy butanoic acid, 3 hydroxy butanoic acid and 4 hydroxy. So again what 3 hydroxy pentanoic acid. So these are the two compounds when which are this is the condensation. The condensation is takes place. It is nothing but what loss of water molecules from here. The condensation of these types of the compound is what OH from here, H from here and OH from here. This is the formation of C double bond O. This is nothing but CH2, CH. Again this is CH3 group. Here oxygen atom and this is nothing but double bond OC. This ester types of the linkage is formed. This again CH2, this one is the OH and this is what you can say this types of this is nothing but hydroxy group is here and this is the CH2, CH3. So these types of this compound is nothing but what the name is nothing but what polyhydroxy. This types of the compound is nothing but what biodegradable polymers. So as you can say this is the biodegradable polymers which is useful. It is useful for to making the capsule है ना. तो making the capsule it is most important field. This is the medicinal field. यहाँ पे इसको medicinal field में इसका use किया जाता है. So it prepared out to make this is the capsule to making the specially this is the packing for the orthopedic. So this is used for the packing for the orthopedic. Packing for orthopedic. Especially in the to making the capsule. So these are used. Again another types of the biopolymers also can say this is the example of the biodegradable polymer. It is nothing but what dextran. So the dextran it is first polymer. So the point is that dextran it is the first polymer which is used biodegradable. So dextran it is first polymers which is used biodegradable polymers. So another types of the example as you can say this is what one of the example polyglycolic acid and polylactic acid. So such like this the polyglycolic acid and polylactic acid it is one of the example of biodegradable polymer. The process you can say this is the process of degradation of biopolymers as we can say the process हम यहाँ पे कह सकते हैं the process degradation of biopolymer leads to changes their properties. As you can say this is nothing but what chemical properties. मतलब इसमें क्या होता है कि जो changes होता है so this changes is due to what to changes functional group. यहाँ पे functional group का changes होता है so this to changes the functional group. That's why the properties of compound it may be the polymers are changes. Here the process of degradation of the biopolymer leads to changes. This is nothing but properties. So as we can say, the example of this is the biopolymer degraded quickly. As you can say, the next one is that it is biodegradable quickly in living system, So this is what we can say. This is the biodegradable quickly in living system by यहाँ पे ये quickly changes जो होता है by one of the most important part by due to what enzymatic chemical reaction. So this is the changes is occur, but this how the changes occur? Quickly changes, rapidly changes is occur due to what? By using the enzymatic chemical reaction. तो वहाँ पे कुछ enzyme types का हमको catalyst और chemical वहाँ पे use करना पड़ेगा ताकि वो जो rapidly changes होता है, quickly changes होता है, तो वहाँ पे हमको वो मतलब this is the changes is occur due to what? By using this is the enzymatic chemical reaction or chemical reaction is that. So that is using the enzymatic chemical action, xylase, these types of the chemical changes is occurs due to what? Using the biodegradable polymers. Here we are having another types of the example. So the example is nothing but what? As you can say, polyglycolic acid, polylactic acid, polyglycolic acid, polylactic acid. So this is another PHBV, polyhydroxybutyrated valerate, again dextran. As we can say, this dextran, it is one of the first polymer which is used to the biodegradations. Dextran. Next, this is what, as you can say, another types of example, nylon 2,6. So how the nylon 2,6 is obtained? This is one of the part of the reactions. As we can say, this is nothing but glycine. The glycine, that is nothing but alpha amino acid. This is the glycine is nothing but what? Alpha amino acid. This alpha amino acid is reacted with what? A caproic acid, that is CH2 taken 5 times, COOH, and here is the NH2 group. So this is nothing but this types of the reaction is takes place between this is the another part of this is the what? Condensation types of the reaction. Here what? Condensation types of the reaction is takes place. Here loss of water molecule. Then what about the part of the product is formation of the reaction? This is nothing but what? A glycine. The glycine is reacted with what? Glycine is reacted with what? Caproic acid. As you can say, this is nothing but what? A caproic acid. So these two reactor molecules is react in formation of what? We are having this is the C double bond O. So the longest types of the compound is obtained. This CH2 is as it is. There is formation of the amide linkage. Formation of what? Amide linkage. Here oxygen atoms. This C double bond O. CH2 taken 5 times. Again what? NH. CH2 taken 5 times NH. These types of the compound is nothing but what? Nylon 2,6. So this nylon 2,6 as a representation of the 2 and 6 is nothing but number of carbon atoms. This representation of the 2 and 6. As you can say, these 2 carbon atom from here and this 6 carbon atom from here. This C and this one is CH2 taken 5 times and C is here. So these are 6 carbon and this is the 2 carbon. That's why we can say this is the nylon 2,6 and it is one of the example of the biodegradable polymer. As we can say, this is the polyglycolic acid, polylactic acid, PHBVA, dextran, nylon 2,6 is the example of